If you think you know your Mac inside and out, think again. Today I'm revealing 10 hidden macOS shortcuts that Apple never tells you about. These will boost your speed, your productivity, and maybe even blow your mind. Let's jump in. Have you accidentally closed Safari and you still need it? Open Safari and click Command-Shift-T. And that will open your previous closed tabs. So you've got lots of windows open and you don't want to manually close them, or just hit Command Tab and hold Command, and now you can go through your apps and also switch. If you want to go to Word, for example, just release the Command button, or if you want to close an app, just hold the Command button and press Q. Now we can go to Safari, close Safari. Bonus tip, if you press H while holding Command, you can hide an app. You know when you're adjusting your volume or your brightness and you just can't hit the spot, just hold Option and Shift and then you can adjust it in smaller increments. Hide a window instantly. Just press Command H. What if you want to close everything except that? Option Command H. And that closes everything except the one you're using. So you probably know Spotlight, right? But how to open it way faster? Just press Command and space and it's open. Press Command and space again to close it. Bonus, in Spotlight you can do, for example, a currency exchange. 55 USD in euro. That's about 53 euros. You can also do math. 45 plus 5, it's 50. What you can also do, define serendipity. And then you can open that and you'd have a definition of serendipity. Most people don't know it, but Macs have a built-in emoji picker. Just press Control Command Space and you're gonna get your emojis. From here you can pick emojis, you have arrows, bullets, everything that you like. Even currency symbols. So you know when you're trying to resize a window, you have to go like this and then you go back. Did you know that if you hold Option while dragging, you do all the sides at once? Let's say an app froze. What do? The Force Quit shortcut. Just press Option Command Escape and you're gonna get your Force Quit applications menu. Here you can choose one. Let's say Final Cut Pro, Force Quit. And the app is not frozen anymore because it's not here. So let's say you're searching for a document and you have to open it, see what it is. What's a way faster way to do that? Just highlight the app and hit space. And that will give you a preview of what you're trying to open. That works on videos. For example, here's a GIF or a GIF. I use this a lot when sending emails. Is it GIF or GIF? Put it in the comments. How to move files instead of copy pasting or just manually dragging them into the folder you want. Just press Command C, yes, copy it. Then when you get into the folder you want them to be, just press Command Option V. And that will move the file and not copy it. No more dragging for you. If you highlight the text and you hit Option Escape,
subscribe to Mugu.
Do that. For this you need to have spoken content activated. Here's how to activate it. Open Settings, click on Accessibility, Spoken Content, and make sure Speak Selection is on. Last one for today, how to create a folder instantly. Just press Command-Shift-N and your folder is right there. So thanks for watching and I really hope you liked the video. And make sure you don't miss this video on how to delete your system data on your Mac. That saves up a lot of space. See you in the next one.